Hey guys, Sean Lentz here from Appalachian DIY, and today I'm going to show you the grease points on a B Series Kubota Tractor. There's only going to be 5 grease fittings on the actual tractor itself, but I'm going to also go over the points on the front end loader because the majority of you owners are going to have that as well. To start out with, we have our front end loader up here. We have a grease fitting right on top and one right down in here. So you have 2 here, you have one up on top on here, and one underneath the bottom. We have 2 up front up here, one here and one here. And it's the exact same thing for the opposite side. And we can move along to the back. We are going to have one grease fitting up here on our top link and one grease fitting down here on our lift arm. That's it for the top, so let's move to the bottom. So underneath our tractor, we have our brake pedals right here, and underneath here we have one fitting for our left brake, and up in here, one fitting for our right brake. That's going to be the most difficult one to get to. And then if we look across our tractor to the other side, right here is our clutch pedal grease fitting. That's it, guys. It's really simple. Kubota suggests about doing that every 50 hours. If you're a contractor or someone who's using your tractor every day, I would advise you to do it more often than that because it's going to keep the life of your tractor going longer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and head over to Appalachian DIY for more Kubota videos. Thanks again, guys, and I hope to see you next time. Alright guys, as an added bonus, I'm going to show you guys how to grease the mower deck if you guys have one. There are 8 fittings just on this mower deck alone. Each one of these pulleys here, these 3 pulleys, has a grease fitting right on top. On your gearbox, there is one right here to the left. There are 3 all on your drive shaft, one up at this union, and one down here with this one here. Also one right in the middle for the slide, and there is one right here for the tensioner pulley. That's it.